Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video. Where in today's one, we're taking a look at Vinted. I'll be explaining to you guys essentially how can you set up your shipping labels. So let's jump right into it. First of all, you'll log in with your preferred profile on Vinted, and you'll have to have at least one item sold. And for that item, you will search into your profile settings here. Scroll down until you see your listings, and I'll just skip this step and go into my orders to see all of your sold items. So you'll go into sold, completed, or in progress right here. And to print out the shipping label, you will click on the three dots icon that will appear on the right hand side. Click on that one. Then from the drop down menu, select print shipping label, and you'll be able to do it. Essentially, that's the fastest way to do so. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.